The plaintiff concludes her case by calling apartment manager Phelps Manchester to testify.
Mr. Manchester, what is your employment?
I'm the Park Lilac manager.
You're employed by Gerald Pinter?
Yes.
Is it part of your duties to see that the public areas of the buildings are cleaned and kept in good repair?
Yes.
The laundry room in the basement falls into such a category, does it not?
Yes, it does.
Now, Mrs. Fox and Miss Feather have both testified that they reported the broken laundry room window lock to you. Do you recall those reports?
Yes, I do.
Now, not only that, but Miss Feather says she wrote a letter to Mr. Pinter concerning the lock. Do you know anything of that?
Yes, Mr. Pinter called me himself about that letter. Asked me what I was doing about the lock.
And what did you tell him?
Same thing I told the ladies. I called Acme the day it was reported. They sent a guy out who fooled with it for a while, but he couldn't get it fixed. Said the the mechanism had a broken part, which was out of stock. So I told him to get the part. Now, I put a heavy rubber band on it to hold it shut, but it broke.
The night of the rape, May 5th, did you accompany the police on their inspection of the premises?
Yes.
And did you attempt to do anything about the window at that time?
I tried to wedge it shut.
Mr. Manchester, when was the window properly fixed?
Well, the next day I called Acme and asked if the part was in yet, and they sent the guy out and he fixed it.
Then the window was fixed on May 6th, is that right?
Yes.
The day after Dolores Fox was raped. That's right, too, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Your witness, Mr. West.
Mr. Manchester, how long have you managed the Park Lilac?
5 years.
And during those 5 years, have any of your tenants been assaulted?
Well, we had a couple of purse snatchings.
Inside the premises?
Oh, no, just outside.
Have any of your tenants been raped?
Until this incident, no.
So, the building has been maintained safely?
Objection. He's calling for a conclusion that the court should make.
Yes, sustained.
No further questions.
All right, you're excused, Mr. Manchester. Mr. Todd?
Your Honor, the plaintiff rests. We have shown Dolores Fox was raped at knife point by an intruder. This vicious rape led to the miscarriage of her unborn child. There was no sign of forced entry except for the open laundry room window with a broken lock.
Your Honor, the plaintiff's counsel should save her summation until the defense has presented its case. Bruce Bowers was arrested 2 days ago, and on being identified by Mrs. Dolores Fox, charged with rape, I request the bailiff bring Bowers from the security cell to the court.
All right, bailiff is so ordered.
Sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear in the cause before you to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Your Honor.
Mr. Bowers. Mr. Bowers, is your silence an indication of your invocation of the Fifth Amendment right?
Yeah. That's right. I ain't sworn nothing. By God, I ain't saying nothing either.